Hey everyone, Extreme Crypto here. Today we're going to connect Liberium Crypto to our Gemini exchange. I've logged into both accounts already to make it easier. But when you logged into Liberium Crypto, the top left corner, you click on the three stripes. You'll see you're currently on the home page. Click on Dashboard. The moment you click on Dashboard, it will give you account information. Right in the middle, exchange failed. That's due to the fact that I did it wrong the first time. Now we're going to do it correctly. Click on Exchange Settings. It will open Exchange Settings and connect an exchange. Now today we want to connect Gemini. So we click on Gemini and we continue. After you've clicked on Continue, it's asking for your API key and your API secret key. But when you scroll down, it gives you information on how to connect your account. We're already logged into the Gemini account. Now click Account in the top menu. We're clicking on Account in the top right corner. It will open a few different options, and the one you choose is Settings. After clicking on Settings, it will give you a few different things, but look on the left hand side. It says API key. You click on API key, and then under Manage API keys, you click Create an API key. Create API key. You'll be creating an API key and secret pair. First, select the scope you want to create an API key for. When you're selecting the scope, you choose primary. This is the mistake I made the first time. I chose master. As you can see, it's saying primary in the scope. And then we click next. Now it's giving your API key name. Change the name so you know what your key are standing for. We'll do it Liberium Crypto. There is your API keys. Now looking at your settings, trading needs to be ticked, and I've copied and pasted my API keys. But before we click Create API key, we're going to scroll back up on the Liberium Crypto and we're going to copy our keys. We copy the key and we paste it in at API key. And then we copy the secret key and we paste it in. And then you can scroll down and you click Create API key. Your API key has been created, and now you can go and click Continue on Liberium Crypto. And as you can see, well done, your exchange is now verified and connected. Very important, never share your API keys with anyone. For this video purpose, I'm gonna delete the API key I just created for safety reasons. Just need to get my authenticated code and put it in. This code changes every 30 seconds. It's in, and now I can delete the API key. As you can see, it's deleted. Have a great one and enjoy the benefits of the trading. Take care.